Hello everyone. To use CG editor in Visual Director, go to Tools and then select CG editor. After that, it will pop up a project setting of the CG. You can select the preformat settings right here. After that, click OK. This will be the CG editor interface. Inside here, you can add some text and do the settings on your text. For example, let's say demo. You can change the font size like this. Drag the text to the position you want. Click on the image button to add image. Select the image you want. You can also add clock in your CG. Select the format you want right here, or you can customize your format. You can refer here. If you want to create a new page, click on this button. To delete it, select the page and click on the delete button. After you're done creating your CG, you can save in the directory you want. So for the file name, I will be using demo2. After that, click on save. So now you can go to Visual Director, go to CG file, click the file button and select the CG you saved, which is demo2, and click on open. Click on the CG and upload to the PGM or PVM monitor. So the CG is now appear on the PGM and PVM. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.